Alright, we are in the subject of calculus and we're evaluating limits analytically. We are in this section right here at gotomath.com. So let's go to this problem. We've got the limit as x approaches a of k of x, which is equal to 9. So these are a little different here. We've actually got an answer to the limit. And we're wanting to find the limit as x approaches a of 10 times k of x minus 3 times s of x. Ooh, excuse me. Alright, so let's go up to the whiteboard here. Of course, let's make that disappear. And write down what we got. We've got, if I can remember it, I think it was the limit as x approaches a of k of x equals 9, and then we had the limit, I remember they were all x approaches a, and this was s of x is equal to 6. And we want to find the limit as x approaches a of 10 times k of x minus 3 times s of x. Right, and we'll just put a bracket around that. Okay, so we're going to utilize those properties that we learned in number 9. At button number 9, section 9, whatever you want to call it. And so I'm going to break this up into two separate limits. And so we have 10 times k of x. I about skipped a step there on us. Okay, minus the limit as x approaches a of 3 times s of x. Alright, see if I can scroll down just a little bit. So we can take this 10 and bring it out front. Okay, that was one of the, this was a scalar multiplication, but this was one of the properties. Well, I'm not sure if it was one of the properties, but we could break that up into two separate limits, and the limit of 10 as x approaches a is just 10. Okay, and then we have x approaches a of k of x minus, bringing the 3 out front, the limit as x approaches a of s of x. Okay, well, we know what the limit of k of x as x approaches a, we know that that's equal to 9. So we could just replace all of this right here with a 9. So that'd be 10 times 9 minus 3 times, and of course the limit of s of x as x approaches a is equal to 6. So we can replace all that with a 6 and then do the arithmetic from there. We've got to 90 minus 18. Alright, let's go over here, and we get 72. Is that correct? 90 minus 18. 18 plus that, 1, 8, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, yeah. Alright, well, anyway, let's hit the help button here before we run out of time. And once again, I'm going to have to go to the website and do some editing here. I need to pull that down. Crud. I need to do that. I was supposed to do that on the last problem. But as you can see here, we broke it up into two separate limits, pulled it outside. Whoa, I see a mistake here. I'm using the letter T. Yeah, I see. Okay, I'll have that fixed anyway. Wow. All right. Anyway, so you get the gist of that. Okay.